Good morning, everyone. Here at the Sarasota Cars and Coffee, November 2023. Checking out some of the rides early in the morning, but it's already hot out here. There's the Supra. I'm gonna film a bunch of cars today. Some of the neat ones, some of the oddball ones, some of the ones that may surprise you, some of them they won't. But anyways, check out the video, hit that like and subscribe button. I would appreciate it. Building up the channel. Show is jam-packed full. So many people in cars today.
I was gonna say I saved later. Bro, I was like, who would we do it? No. The thing is, where's it gonna be?
So, you're the second person on the planet. Who's your family?
Got a Ford GT tucked in here.
Yeah.
Here is today's honorable mention yellow car. Why not? Fun. So it's about having some fun. Audi TT, probably the RS. Sweet. Honorable mention, semi-yellow. Alright, so you can tell this is an old school guy with a Performance VW sticker on the windshield. Looks like a custom flare wide body. Definitely pretty good job on the old Audi. RS4 on there. That's hilarious. Beautiful, fun car to throw around. Alright, it's another yellow Vet. However, this is slammed out on air most likely. I like people doing different things with these cars. It looks good. Alright, I get to get a roller. Old school. Lexus looking sharp. There's a good old school yellow banana color. My favorite color, yellow. Nice. Honorable mention. Cutting S2000 hiding over there. All right, there's some muscle, yellow muscle. Clean Infinity. Daily. Has some whiskey dents on it. Still aired out. A little bit of flip in that paint there and that window tint. That's pretty cool. Nice. Love the old Cyclones. Clean one too. I love these wagons. I would lower this thing. This might be a future car. Get me a turbo one of the electric GT ones. Lower that suspension. Look good. Slammed. Slammed Corvette on air, definitely. Hey, for the people that watch my channel, I used to have a black edition Honda Ridgeline like that, except mine was lowered, but I still really like them. If I need a truck again, probably what I'll get.
Oh, we were doing it.
Thanks for watching. If you made it through this video, if it's the end of this one, Sarasota Cars and Coffee, November 2023, beautiful sunny Florida. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.